Hello everyone. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome, welcome. Glad you're here. Hopefully my comments are gonna work today. Oh, turn the sound off. Hey Sandy. There's your comments. Okay. Yay. Hey Chris. Hey Darcy. Linda. Sherry. Hello everyone. Okay. A few things before we get started. First is that I have my awesome deal still going on. If you purchase, or every $100 you spend with me, you get to choose $20 and free product as long as you use this host code between the 1st and the 15th of September. So if you want to get in on this deal, please make sure to place an order with me and use this host code for every 100 you spend. Okay, so there's that. And then I want to show off a couple, actually I just have one thing here that's really sweet that I received in the mail. My friend Cindy, I'm just considering her a friend now because we've been in contact for so long. She drew this and colored it. Isn't it beautiful? And it's just a really sweet card. And then she made me this. Isn't this adorable? Look at this. It's a little book and I can put pictures in it. And it's just so stinking cute. I love it. Look. I don't know the dimensions. I don't know the details of how she made it, but it is adorable and I love it. And I can't thank you enough, Cindy. It was very, very sweet to get this in the mail from you. So I'll have to put some pictures in here of my kiddo or my puppies or something like that. So that was really cool. Carrie is joining us. I'm guessing Carrie and Penelope. Okay, we have a VIP drawing this week. I'm going to choose a winner. The winner will receive a take your pick tool or take your pick tool, one of these. So let's do that really quick. Who's the winner? Who's it gonna be? Janice Bake. Yay, congrats. And then we have a giveaway at the end as well. So we'll do that then. Let's see, how do I get to... Give me just a second here. We're going to make a cute little project. Dun, dun, dun. In just a second. I just got to share this to my group. Oops. Okay, done. So Christmas card is actually, which is actually won the poll that I put out earlier by like 2%. But I had to get something designed and created. So at the time that I checked it, the highest percentage was Halloween Goodie. I mean, it was 49% to 51%. So, she's currently nursing. That's so sweet. My friend Carrie, she just had a baby. So I'm excited she's here hanging out with us. So we went Halloween. And the 2% of people that are upset about it can come next time and maybe it'll be something different. So we're going to use Harvest Hellos and the punch that coordinates. And before I started, I punched on a piece of grid paper and lined my stamps up and put them all on one block together so that when I stamp it, it will punch correctly. And we're going to use Memento Tuxedo Black ink. And we're going to do 2 of these guys. I am going to On Stage in Atlanta. Where are you going? Okay, there's my memento. And now we're going to color them. Color these little pumpkin doo-doos. I guess pumpkins don't really have a leaf, like randomly. They more have that curlicue thing, but like a vine, but I don't care. I'm going to put a leaf on it because it's a card. Well, actually, it's a project, and we can do whatever we want, right? So this is light, dark and light granny apple green that I'm using. Maybe this is a freshly picked pumpkin and it's still got a little green. You know what? We're going to add a little brown because I just feel weird. I feel weird now. Hi, Beverly. Okay. Darken it up a little. All right. Now let's color these pumpkins, shall we? We're going to start with the light Daffodil Delight. And cover the whole thing. And then we're going to come in with Dark Mango Melody. And we're going to make the indentation areas darker. So where the lines are, the goal is for those to be darker. So we're going to work on that. Or, wait a minute. Yeah. Darker on one side of it, I should say. And lighter on the other side. You'll see what I mean when I get done here. So this is the Dark Mango Melody. I need a new one. This one's running out of ink. My blends are very well loved. Very well loved. Okay, then we're gonna move to Light Pumpkin Pie. And that one won't go quite as far out as the other one. Okay. And then we're gonna go dark. Dark Pumpkin Pie. And then we're going to repeat the whole process. You'll see what I mean here in a second. Whoops, I went outside the lines. For heaven's sakes. Okay, I went outside the lines a couple times. I'm going to take my dark mango and go back in. It just kind of all depends how much yellow and how much gold you want and all of that. So now I'm just blending out those edges. And then I'm going to take my Daffodil Delight and just finish it all off. It's a lot of blending. I love coloring. Isn't that pretty? Okay, so all right, so somebody said, I'm looking at wanting to sign up. Awesome. Yeah, Mabel, you should totally sign up. If you want to purchase the starter kit from me, I'd love to have you join. All right, so I'm gonna punch. There's one pumpkin. And here's two. If I can get it lined up right. Okay, and then I've got a piece of Whisper White cardstock here, and it's cut at 2 by 2.5. And I'm gonna score it at a 1/2 inch on all sides. I've already scored it on 2 sides because I did like a big long piece. So I'll just do the other 2 sides really quick. And, oh, that's so nice. Thank you for telling me that, Mabel. Yes, Amanda's very nice. I like her a lot. Okay, so I'm trimming in on all the edges. And then we are going to add tear and tape adhesive right here in the middle. Oh, thanks, Pam. We're going to remove this tear and tape and then add a little more here. Mabel, if you would like to join and you want more information, just send me an email and we can talk if you want. Or you can just go to my site and sign up. Okay, then we're folding on all the score lines, and then I'm going to fold in these little tabbies and glue them down. So we're making a teeny tiny little box. Okay, so there's that part. Okay, good. I actually think I already emailed you back. I didn't realize you were the same person. I told you I'll call you in a little bit. Okay, so then we're going to remove this. So now we're adding adhesive to each side of the little box. And I'm going to put the pumpkin on just down far enough to where I can't see the box sticking out from either side. Y'all know where I'm going with this at this point. We're going to remove that one. Hi, Patty. We had a lot of folks tuning in today. Okay. I'll remove that one. And then see if I can line it up somewhat. All right, so there's that. And then I have some Tombow glue here that I just got all over my fingers. Ah, it's coming out too fast. It's because I store it upside down. Thanks to my team member, Sandra. She gave me this, oh, for heaven's sakes. She gave me this really cool holder for it. And I'm making an absolute mess. Hold on, guys. I got to get it off my fingers. Remember when you're a kid and you put glue on your hands on purpose so you could peel it off? It's not as much fun when you're grown up. Okay. It's still all over me. See it? Peeling. Okay. So I'm going to put a little bit of glue here. And do a stem there. A little bit of glue here. Do a stem there. And then a little bit of glue here. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, that's it. That's my little box. So it sits up like this, and each side has a pumpkin. And check this out. Let me grab my I've got a bag of candies stashed away for projects. Look at this. Ah! Well, it'll actually fit just flat down in there perfectly. Or you could do 2 on end. Like that. So it's up to you how you want to put it in there. But just a little treat. And then I thought I could stamp it with Hey There Pumpkin. But I'm not sure. I don't know. I wasn't sure how I wanted to do it. Let's see. Let me grab pumpkin pie ink. Stinking thing. This ink pad is, I need to re-ink it. It's been giving me troubles. There we go. Okay. Let me trim this up. All right, so then there's Hey There Pumpkin. It's kind of cute sticking out the side, or should I put it on the front? I don't know. What do you guys think? Sticking out the side's kind of cute. Hey, Carrie. Hey, Karen. Anyone have any ideas? Okay, while we're watching your guys' ideas come in, I'm going to do a drawing for a pack of the Toil and Trouble Designer Series paper. This is from last year, and you can't get it anymore, and this is my very last pack. So this is a 6x6 sampler pack, and it's no longer available, but it's full of really cute Halloween goodness. So I thought I would do a quick giveaway on this. Winner is, dun dun dun, Emily Sherrard. Congratulations. Let's put her name on here. Congrats, Emily. Okay. Let's see what most people are saying. On the side, in front, on the side. Okay, I'm going to go on the side. Lots of people are saying on the side. So we're going to add a little glue here. And stick it just like that. Really cute. Dun. Wouldn't that be cute sitting on somebody's desk? So stinking cute. I'm going to have to make some more of these. I hope you enjoyed this. I know this is a very quick Facebook Live today, but I don't have another project for you, and we've done all of our stuff. So this is the September special. If you purchase $100 with me, you get to choose a $20 in product for free if you use this host code. Every $100 you spend, you get $20. So if you do 200, you get $40. If you do 300, you get $60. But you have to use this host code. If you don't use the host code, then unfortunately you won't be able to get the $20 in free product. You end up getting more product from me this way than through the Stampin' Rewards. This is just a special I'm doing for 2 weeks, and I hope that you take advantage of it. And yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. I'm going to probably put this on my blog next week with all the dimensions and info on it, so you'll be able to get that there. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. I hope you guys have an amazing day. Bye.